Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is defined as the distribution of electrons, the distribution of electrons, and subshells and orbitals. The electrons are distributed and the subshells and orbitals, but according to certain rules. According to certain rules, as called electronic configuration. These certain rules are number 1, Abba principle. Number 2, Pauli, P-A-U-L-I, Pauli exclusion principle, and the third one is Hund's rule. So most of the important of these is Abba principle. Here Abba means building up or construction. And this is a German expression. So if you look to the modern periodic table, this is almost represented in Abba principle or Abba form. If you look to the modern periodic table, this is composed of an S block. S block elements contain two groups. One is the alkali and one is the alkaline earth metals. We also can call it NS1 and NS2 block. And here is the block which is called P block. The P block contain 6 groups. This P block contain 6 groups: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This P block contain 6 groups. As we know, the S orbital can only accommodate 2 electrons. That is why it is composed of only 2 groups S, which can accommodate 2 electrons. For example, 1s2 we write because of this. And this P block can accommodate, or this P orbital can accommodate maximum of the 6 electron, because this S orbital is composed of only 1 orbital, and 1 orbital can only accommodate 2 electron, just like this. And this P composed of 3 orbitals, and each orbital accommodate only 2 electron. So the total electrons here are 6.